Does it have a GPS on it?
814 Clouser Hollow Road. Looking at the end cleanout over by the kitchen sink. If you'd run the kitchen sink right now, you can see the water tying at the top. We're going to pull back to the outside cleanout and show you the Orangeburg pipe. You're looking at all Orangeburg pipe till we get to PVC, and I'll tell you then. But it's all Orangeburg pipe coming back. That's a pretty significant bump in the Orangeburg pipe, although it is just a kitchen sink line, not particularly maybe a big deal, but it is a pretty good hump in it that might be an issue someday. Here's another little bit of a bump in it, and also you can see the pipe is becoming oval. Very common in Orangeburg pipe. In this vicinity is where the bathtub ties in. It's in the corner of the bedroom and the bathroom by the closet. It's approximately 2 foot 8 inches deep. Here is where the pipe starts to get questionable a little bit. The camera, you can see, is kind of oval shaped there, and it looks like it's almost shut, but my camera head does go through it. And again, this is just bathtub water. You maybe see a small hole there, although it could be just the Orangeburg peeling away. That's where that's at. That's in bad shape there. And then you're pulling back now towards the toilet. So you can see the pipe here is a little oval shaped. Now, there might be a hole in it. Right here is where the toilet ties in. It is directly underneath the toilet, from what my locator says, approximately 3 feet 8 inches deep. Right here, again, you can see a major bump in it there. Holds a little bit of water. There's a pretty significant bump in the pipe. And then the PVC clean out. This is external going towards the tank. All PVC so far. That's something tying in from the opposite side of the house, maybe the upstairs bathroom. And there's the baffle of the tank. So all that is PVC from the clean out to the tank. End of tape.